Staphylococcus aureus. We shall discuss 10 important points of Staphylococcus aureus regarding viva. It is a morphology is that facultative anaerobe means it can survive in absence of oxygen, and it can also produce ATP with presence of oxygen. That is its picture. Then it is a gram positive means it takes the gram strain. Its arrangement is a grape-like structure. Why? Because during the division, it is divided in all four planes. That's why it forms a grape-like structure. Then it is the cellule of Staphylococcus contain protein A. Protein A. What is protein A? Protein A is the cellular membrane binding protein which causes the IgG inhibitor. Then bound coagulates. Bound coagulates is what? It is the coagulating material of that cell membrane which can identified by slide coagulase test. Then hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase during the pathogenesis process, Staphylococcus by using hyaluronidase enzyme, it invade the cell membrane and causing tissue damage. Then hemolysis. Hemolysis means lysis that is breakdown of the RBC. Then phospholipase. Phospholipase enzyme causes the lysis of a cell membrane. So cell membrane when get lysed, then Staphylococcus easily invade into the bloodstream and causes the tissue damage. Then staphylokinase. Kinase means breakdown of the clotting material. So that is the all the cell component of that cell membrane. Then enterotoxin, which is the toxin released by the Staphylococcus causes infection of the small intestine. In that period, there is no fever. Without fever, all those fever-like symptoms, that is malaise, weakness, all these things are found in the Staphylococcus aureus, but there is no fever character is found in Staphylococcus aureus during enterotoxin. Then TSS, that is toxic shock syndrome toxin, which is released by the Staphylococcus during the when any woman causes prolonged wearing of a tampon. It leads to the Staphylococcus infection and leads to very fatal, that is so even death may be occur. So then scalded skin syndrome. Scalded skin syndrome, which is occurs due to the toxins secreted by the Staphylococcus, which causes the child disease. Child disease means where the fever occur due to this infection, and in that period there is fever, malaise, weakness, all this found in this child, and it is also known as the Richter disease. How do we diagnose the Staphylococcus presence? By slide coagulase test. Bound form of the coagulates of the Staphylococcus. How? By taking the slide and containing Staphylococcus and plasma. If there is bound coagulate is present, then what happened? There will be clot, will be formation occur. Then tube coagulase method also was found. And one important thing is the cartilage positive is the Staphylococcus aureus. What is that? If any peroxide is the peroxide, that is H2O2, and then add Staphylococcus, then what happened? There will be add Staphylococcus, then bubbles formation occur. That shows the cartilage positive reaction of the Staphylococcus aureus. Then how do we find a Staphylococcus present in a substance? By mannitol salt agar test. So mannitol salt agar test is a selective media for the Staphylococcus aureus, because it is shows the yellow color, and because all the other gram positive bacteria never show mannitol salt agar except Staphylococcus aureus. That's much. Then what are the other clinical disorder causing by the Staphylococcus aureus. Mainly Staphylococcus aureus causes folliculitis, means skin infection. Its main action here is pain, and the incubation period is 1 to 2 hours. It comes suddenly and goes also disappear suddenly and remain up to 1 to 2 hours. Then carbuncle. Carbuncle is the folded lower extremity folded area where the skin inflammation abscess or if find, then we call carbuncle. Then impetigo. Impetigo means red patches present on the skin. That is the impetigo. So this is all about the of Staphylococcus. First, the Staphylococcus get colonized under the fold of the body. Then at that time on the fold of that body, if there is any aberration due to surgical or any injury, then it causes the adherence into the cell membrane by the protein bound coagulates, hydrolysis and phospholases. That's why they enter to the invasion, then evasion, there is metastasis occur, then multi-system failure occur. That Staphylococcus aureus 10 point viva related summary. Thank you.